Good morning, student. Today we have started nomenclature of alcohol. First, common system. Common name of an aliphatic monohydric alcohol is obtained by writing the name of a alkyl group followed by the word alcohol. Thus, common name of alcohols is alkyl alcohol. The class of the alcohol is indicated by using prefixes normal, primary, secondary, tertiary, iso only for a propyl alcohol. Second, IUPAC system. According to IUPAC system, alcohols are named as alkanols by replacing E of a parent alkanes by suffix ol. Second, select the longest continuous carbon chain containing OH group. Third, the alcohol is then considered as a derivative of this parent hydrocarbon. Fourth, the position of OH group in the parent chain is indicated by the lowest possible number. Fifth, the position of other groups are indicated by proper numbers. The number indicating the position of hydroxyl group is written immediately before the suffix ol. 7. The substituents are arranged in a alphabetical order. 8. In polyhydric alcohols, the suffix e of a parent alkane is retained. 9th, prefixes like di, tri are added before suffix ol and position of OH group are indicated by proper numbers. 10th, cyclic alcohols are named by using the prefix cyclo and considering the OH group attached to carbon first. Common name and IUPAC name of some alcohols. First column structural formula, second common name and third IUPAC name. CH3OH methyl alcohol, IUPAC name methanol. CH3CH2OH common name ethyl alcohol, IUPAC name ethanol. CH3CH2CH2OH common name N-propyl alcohol, IUPAC name propan 1-OL. CH3CH2CH3OH common name secondary butyl alcohol, IUPAC name butan 2-OL. CH3CH2OH common name isobutyl alcohol, IUPAC name 2-methyl propanol. CH3 3 times COH common name tertiary butyl alcohol, IUPAC name 2-methyl propan 2-OL. CH2OH common name ethylene glycol, IUPAC name ethane 1,2-diol. CH2OH common name propylene glycerol, IUPAC name propan 1,2,3-triol. CH3CH double bond CH2OH common name crotonyl alcohol, IUPAC name but2-in-OL. Second, nomenclature of phenol. The hydroxy derivatives of benzene is called phenol. First, common name. The prefix is used for ortho, meta and para. Ortho position for a 1,2-disubstrate compound of a phenol. Meta, it is denoted by small m for a 1,3-disubstrate compound of a phenol, and para, it is denoted by small p for a 1,4-disubstrate compound of a phenol. Second, IUPAC system. First, the carbon possessing OH group is numbered as 1. The position of other substituents are indicated by lowest number, and third, substituents are written in alphabetical order. Fourth, in IUPAC system, monohydroxybenzene is named as a phenol. Mono means 1. 5. Compounds having one substance are named as the derivatives of a phenols. And last, when carboxylic group, carbonyl group or a ester group is present along with OH group, then phenols are named as derivatives of these. Nomenclature of ethers. Simple ethers are named as a dialkyl ether or a diaryl ethers. In mixed ethers, the alkyl or aryl groups are written alphabetical order followed by the word ether. IUPAC system. According to IUPAC system, ethers are considered are derivatives of alkanes in which a hydrogen is replaced by alkoxy OR or aryloxy OR group. In mixed ethers, the alkyl group containing larger carbon chain is considered as a parent alkane.